Hello there, Escambia County administrators. Let's talk today about saving you time by bundling your messages in focus. On my Compose screen for my communication module, I can quickly bundle a message by clicking any of these green tabs. I can make a call, an SMS, and an email, add a poll, or a sign up. Anything I don't want, click your red X and it'll go away. Now let me share a Focus Pro tip. You can go ahead and bundle a template. For example, this is important graduation information that I know is going to go out every year. I can go ahead and add a call out and a text message to go along with my more detailed email here. And be on the lookout for our copy feature, because I can take this bundle, copy it, and adjust as needed. Creating bundles for communication in focus. It's as easy as clicking a tab. Thanks for joining the Student Data Team for this Byte of Tech. Be sure to check out our recommended video that's here, because we're united for every student to succeed.